everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm super excited because I'll finally be reviewing some of your Redbubble shops. So not too long ago, I posted asking if you guys wanted your shops reviewed, and if so, you could leave a comment below in that post. So I got tons of responses, and I'm so overwhelmed and grateful with how many people actually wanted their shop reviewed and looked at. So I've picked some randomly from all those comments, and because I got so many, and obviously I can't do all of them in one video or even 2 videos, I decided that I would start a little mini series about reviewing your shops so that I can try to get through as many of those shops in the comments as possible. And yeah, you guys can all get your reviews and I get to see more shops. I love seeing your artwork and design, so it's a win-win for everyone. So I decided that I would go in blind and not look at any of your shops beforehand so that it's a complete surprise to me what your shops are all about. So the first time I will be seeing all of them is on camera. I'll be giving these shops any feedback I have, what I think they're doing well, anything I think they might be able to improve on to increase their sales, and anything else that really comes into my mind. Also, I just want to let you guys know that next week I'll be launching my own Lightroom presets, so I'm super excited to show you guys that. They're presets that you can actually use on the Lightroom mobile app. So they're going to be in the style of how I edit my pictures for Redbubble and Instagram, so if you like that, then definitely keep an eye out for those. And before I get into the actual store reviews, don't forget to like this video if you want to see more videos like this one where I'm reviewing people's stores, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me in general. Alright, so let's get into the first shop. Okay, so the first store here is Luna & Co. Right off the bat, I love the banner. It obviously like represents the store a lot, so I can already kind of tell what kind of store it's going to be and what kind of art they have, so I like that. It's good branding and it sets like a really professional tone for the store. Let's see, they joined June 2020. Wow, so congrats, it's a new store. That's a good thing that you joined. It's never too late. 24 designs, so that's obviously like not too much, but they just joined like last month, so yeah, it's a good start. All right, so let me see all of their designs here. I like what they have going for them. They're trying like a lot of different things, so photography, like graphic design work, collages. Yeah, a little bit of everything, so I think that's a good idea, especially at the beginning. You want to just try your luck and kind of see what sticks and what doesn't. Yeah, I think the collages are really cool. And then I'm just going into their products now. I think it's great that they've actually organized it into collections, so right off the bat, people can see the different categories that they have to offer and go into any of the ones that they like. So it looks like they know what they're doing with the t-shirts. They have a transparent background so that it looks good on all t-shirts, and yeah, it looks professional. And it's also good that they're going for like trending topics right now, like Outer Banks. When that came out, everyone was watching it, so people are probably looking for different merch about the show. I'd say maybe the title could be a bit more descriptive, because like there's probably a lot of quotes in Outer Banks, so if you just say like something that's more specific to that quote, it might help if someone's looking for that specific quote, and it just might help in search results. Let's see the tags. Good, Outer Banks, yeah, that's good. Summer, teen, trendy. Yeah, the tags look good. They're in the good like 15 to 20 amount of tags, so that's good. They're doing that right. Yeah, so overall it looks like it's a good shop. Obviously you can upload more designs, and I'm sure you are uploading more designs like day by day, but other than that, and maybe more descriptive tags for some of them, but some other ones I see here do have descriptive tags. So yeah, I think you're doing really well, especially as a beginner, and just keep posting and hopefully you'll keep selling. I don't know if you have any sales yet, but I'm sure people would want to buy your stuff. All right, so now let's go into the next store. So right off the bat, again, really good banner, same as the last one, looks professional and kind of gives me an idea of, you know, what the artist's style is and what the shop is going to be about. So they're also fairly new to Redbubble. They joined in March 2020, and they already have 71 designs, so that's really good. They're staying on top of their uploading, and they have collections as well, which is nice. So yeah, it seems like they do a lot of their own art and graphic design, which is really cool. And I think people appreciate that when they're looking for artwork on here. Yeah, so I like that they're all like kind of hand-drawn pieces. I'm assuming and they fit well on the products. That's good, that's really important. I'm just gonna open one and see what the tags look like. This one's cute, toilet paper hamster, I like that. So yeah, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 12 tags, so that's good. You could do a couple more. Let's see. I think the tags could be a little bit more specific. Like, I don't know if anyone would necessarily like search golden hamster or against, but if you put like animal or animal lover, that might get more traffic. So that's kind of the only thing I would say here, because some of the tags are not as specific, I guess. They're kind of like a bit random, but other than that, I think it looks really good, and it seems like all the products fit really well on paper or on the designs. I actually really like how the hardcover notebooks look with all of their like hand-drawn designs. I think that looks really cool. Here again, just with the title, try to make it more specific to what the image actually is, because there's a deer on this image, but there's no deer in the title. So if someone really loves deers and they're looking for like a deer print, they would never even find this unless you have it in the tags. But yeah, you have it in the tags, which is good, but like you might as well have it in the title, right? So that you can kind of guarantee it shows up for the deer tag. But yeah, overall it looks good. I really like the hand-drawn or hand-painted designs, and hopefully you'll get some sales. Okay, so the next one here is Lone Wolf Works. They have 76 designs, another good amount. I'm not sure when they started, but yeah, it never hurts to have a good collection of stuff. So they also do a mix of like photography, quotes, graphic design. So why not? If you can do it all, then do it. Let's look at their Explore Designs section. Yeah, I like all these quotes. I feel like they look really good on t-shirts and those kind of products like phone cases. So that's a good strategy for sure. And I feel like you've done a good job at making each quote like kind of embody the type of person that would buy it. So like the adventurer quote here, it looks like, you know, the colors look adventurous and it looks kind of like a passport stamp. So obviously like it will resonate with someone who likes traveling and all that. And then the I love coffee one is in like kind of a hand lettering. So I feel like that makes sense. Yeah, this looks really good. Yeah, you're really good at making graphics for quotes. So I'm just gonna pick one and I'm gonna go back to the adventure one and look into the tags and all that. Looks really good on t-shirts. You have the transparent backgrounds. I think that's perfect. Looks really professional. Like, I don't see why someone wouldn't want to buy this. Lots of good tags. And I like that you have a lot of tags that could embody kind of the persona and lifestyle of that person that likes adventure. That's kind of what I try to do with my works as well. So that is a great idea. Yeah, so overall, another good store. Just keep uploading and keep trying maybe more like trending quotes so that you can catch the audience that way, but the designs look good and professional. So the next store I have here is Kid Lee. Great banner again off the bat. I feel like it shows that they're kind of about photography and all that, and now that I'm scrolling down, they are, so that definitely matches what they're selling. Just a first thing I noticed right off the bat, some of your photos, like this one and then the duvet, aren't quite large enough to fit the whole image. Like the image isn't quite large enough to fit the whole product. So right off the bat, I think that would deter people from buying those specific products. They don't want it to be on just half the like duvet cover or the shower curtains. So I would recommend making sure they're the right size before uploading. So I do have a video where it shows the right size and how to upload, so I'll link that here if anyone else is having this trouble. I know initially I didn't know the right sizing either, and my images look like this too. So you just have to tweak it a little bit to make sure that it does fit on everything, because yeah, that might give you less sales in the long run. But the picture is really cool. Yeah, there's a lot of cool photography on here. A lot of things that I would also like taking pictures of, so I can definitely relate to this shop. Here, I'm just gonna pick, see this one, it does have the whole picture on the shower curtain, so I think it looks a lot better and people are more likely to buy it. So yeah, you have a lot of tags, a lot of relevant tags, what people might be searching, so that looks good. Maybe be a bit more descriptive in your title, but other than that, everything looks good. and I like the photography. Yeah, we'll move on to the next store. All right, so this one is called Wonder Laura, and I feel like it looks like a travel-y kind of store with the banner and then her name. So she has 34 designs, but yeah, I would try to upload a little bit more, which I'm sure she probably is, but just as a side note. So right off the bat, she has collections too, which is great. I think all of her photos are really cool and travel-y, obviously, like the banner and name would suggest. Most of them fit on products, just this one, it looks like it doesn't quite fit on the product. Background blue, but I think most people just prefer designs that are like fully on the product. So yeah, I just recommend trying to get an image size that fits on the product properly. But yeah, these are really cool pictures. She must get to travel a lot. Oh, I love this one with the blue door and seashells. That's really cool. Yeah, I really like this shop, and I think she'll definitely get a lot of success if she doesn't already have it. So those are all the shops I have for today. Thank you again for watching this, and thank you so much for everyone that submitted their shops. I know it can be intimidating to have someone look at your work, especially if it's art. Even I'm kind of sensitive to that stuff. Like if I were to like draw something or paint something, I'm always like embarrassed to show other people because I'm like, oh, what if it sucks and they hate it? So I feel like with art, people sometimes are obviously more shy to show it, but I really appreciate you guys being open and putting your shops in the comments. For now, I think I'll stick to using the shops in that original comment because there's so many. I definitely want those stores to get a chance at being reviewed, but I'll definitely do another entry, I guess, or post in the future asking for more shops so that you know, more people can have a chance to get reviewed. I might even do these as a live. I'll see. I've never done a live before, so I'm not sure how I feel about that, but we'll see. I might try it just for fun. So yeah, don't worry if your shop wasn't featured in this video. I'll try to get to it in another video, and I'm gonna continue doing these, so eventually, hopefully, you know, I'll get to reviewing as many of them as I can. And just a little side note, just because your artwork isn't taking off yet doesn't mean it never will. I know so many of those shops had amazing artwork that you think would sell in a second. Just be patient, keep trying, keep posting, and doing things that help your chances at having your art be seen and having one of your pieces blow up, because you really never know what's gonna happen. Like I said before in some other videos, it took months for me to actually get, you know, a good buildup of sales, so don't get discouraged and just keep trying it. And keep trying on different platforms too. You never know which one will blow up. Like initially I had a mini blow up on Society 6, which I can do a video on that if you guys want, and then I moved my stuff over to Redbubble, and then I actually became more successful on Redbubble than Society 6. So just try different ones out. You never know which one will stick, and don't give up. I also do have a lot of other videos about more solid tips than just not giving up, obviously. So if you want to learn stuff like how to tag your artwork or how to post artwork, I'll link those and you can watch those after this video. But yeah, there's definitely enough room for everyone to be successful on there, so just keep that in mind. Before you click off this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your support, and I actually just reached 8,000 subscribers today, which is so crazy to me. I can't believe I've gotten such a big subscriber base so quickly. I feel like it was just, I don't know, a month ago that I had like 1,000 subscribers, so I'm really grateful for all this growth and kind of where this is taking me. So thank you again for all of that. It's honestly like every day it's shocking to me that it keeps growing and that you guys still want to watch my videos. So yeah, I just want to say that, and thank you guys as always. But that's all I have for you guys today, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.